Good evening. This is Dr. Vicki. This is Wednesday afternoon of week 4, and I'm going to go over for just a few minutes some pointers about setting up your Mastery Journal blog correctly. I must say, though, at this late date, if you still haven't met the requirements, I'm a little disappointed and dissatisfied as the instructions, tutorials, and links were readily available. It is the student's responsibility to make use of all the resources provided. After all, this is mastery, mastering your life's journey, mastering your trade, mastering your professional career. But if you can't even master mastery, you might need to reflect on how you handled yourself in this program. So let's go back to week 2. Week 2, we've been working on this blog for 2 weeks. Week 2 assignment for Mastery Journal blog, under the instructions right here, it says set up your Mastery Journal on WordPress using the 2015 theme only. For those who say you can't find the 2015 theme, I'm finding that hard to believe because right here I'm circling it. It is in red, it is hyperlinked, and it is there for you. When you click on this, I'm going to show you in a minute, it takes you right to the 2015 theme. You don't have to look for it. And then after you do that, under site identity, you start following the instructions. Add your custom pages. How you do that? Under menus, click on primary and add about me, intention statement. Then you publish. When you click publish, it is now live and you provide the link. Now, when you click on the 2015 theme, let's watch what happens. Boom. You see that? What is that? What's it say right here? 2015 up here in the left-hand corner. 2015. Let me do that again. Click on the 2015 hyperlink. Boom. There it is. 2015. So when you say you can't find the theme, do you see my hesitancy in accepting that? So you're here, okay? You are here. When we're ready to start building, you'll click right here on Customize Your Site. But this is showing you right here what it looks like. All right? Now, what we're going to do down here, when you look at this, it's going to tell you exactly how to do the things that I've required in the assignment for you to do. You will open up the customizer and check out the color schemes you want. Pick the color scheme. Everyone picks one. Okay. While you're in the customizer, try personalizing the design by adding a custom header. You click here. This is going to tell you how to do that. All right. Now, to use images with 2015 to add an effect, all you have to do is pick an image and you can put right here, click featured images, and it's going to walk you straight through how to do that. Now you have to add a menu. I've repeated so many times that one of the requirements is a menu on the left-hand side of your blog. Now let's look at this sample blog right here. See the menu? This is the menu. Why is that important? Because anytime you click on one of these, it's going to take you to that page. And within that page, this will still be on the left-hand side, and you can always go back to home. So a menu was required. It sports a menu that's easy to navigate, okay? So this will be the menu, but your menu will have home, about me, my intention statement. You will have your timeline. You will have your personal learning network. You will have your feeds. All of those will be a page on your menu. Okay, so this is going to tell you right here how to build your menu. Okay, it tells you right here, go to Customize, Menus, click on the gear icon, show advanced properties. It's telling you step by step how to do that. Okay, so is there a reason not to do this? I don't think so. The instructions are here. Let's look back at it. Right here they are again. You're going to add your custom pages. After you click on the 2015 theme, click here to customize the site. Let's see what happens. There's my site. I've built one to see how easy it was. And it's in the customizer. Why? Because that is what I clicked on, right? Then you have to title your name. Then you're going to add your custom pages. How do I know how to do that? How do I know? See menus, primary, it's published, menu name primary. Here's my pages. Home, about me, inspiration, degree, timeline, my news feed. Right here's how you add new items. Okay? These are the ones I already have as pages. If I want to add a new page, I simply type in the name of it, like Personal Learning Network. Boom! There it is, right? There it is. Personal Learning Network. See it right here? I've got it on here twice. I'm going to take it off. There it is. I've got a page that says that. How do I know that? See right here? My menu, is it there? Personal Learning Network. When I click on that, it's going to take me to a page for Personal Learning Network. Nothing's there, is it? Why? I just added the page. If I want to add a picture, I click on Edit. It's going to open up to a blank page. It's called Personal Learning Network. See right here where it's this little plus button? Add a block. I want to add an image. I go to Upload, go to my computer, and I'll find the image I want, and I will put that on my blog. Okay, let's get rid of that. How do I get rid of it? Boom, remove block. I had some say they didn't know how to add text. Boom. What am I going to add? A paragraph. Why? I can add text. Now what's going to happen? Watch this. I am adding text. I'm adding text, aren't I? Now look, there's all my editing tools. I can highlight it. I can click what it is, right, left, center, justified, bold. I can link it. I can justify it, strike through, underline. So that's how you add text. So I'm a bit confused, as I said, as to why people are struggling. Now, what you want to do then is hit publish. Why? Because when you hit publish, only then can anyone see this. It's not available for anyone to see if you don't publish it. So when I click on links that I've been given that do not work, it's likely because they have not been published. Are you ready to publish? It's visible to the public. If I hit publish, now it's publishing it to the web. It's live. See right here, you can copy the link, and that's the link that you would send me for that page. If I want to view the page, there's my Personal Learning Network page I just created. Here's the menu, home. If I click on the home, it's taking me right back to my home page. Click on my About Me page, it's taking me to my About Me page. Inspiration, the timeline that you're creating, the news feed where you put your feed reader and your LinkedIn and anything else that you want to put as far as your feed reader. So again, this is not difficult. I'm trying to be tactful here, and it's hard because the problem is when people don't follow instructions, it makes it very hard for it to come out looking like you want it to look. See, there it is. There's mine. There's the title. There's the image I put in the background. There's the links. I've got a little calendar here. got my home page with images, got my About Me page. That's a requirement for week 2. Your intention statement, got all that there. My news feed, okay? And if I want to visit the site live, that's my site live. So you've got to read instructions to master anything. Whether you find it valuable or not really is just an indication of how serious you're taking your entire journey. You can't just focus on the things that you enjoy and that you think are important. These things are designed in a series to get you to where you want to go. And if you can't master mastery, it's going to be very hard for you to overcome obstacles in the next 12 months in your real degree program. So you need to step up, follow these instructions, create the blog, prove to yourself that you can master this very basic task of creating your journey. At every course in the next 12 months, you're going to be adding to this very same blog. That is the reason that you cannot successfully complete mastery without this being correct. I cannot pass you on to the next course, which is the first one in your specific program, with this not set up correctly. Now, you want to see one of your classmates? This is Heather's. Okay, see her link up here? When I say I want the URL link and someone says I don't know what that is, right there it is. It's the website address. And it's set up exactly the way the instructions did, her first name and her last name. Okay, when you click on home, you're at her home page. There's her inspiration quotes that you were supposed to have. Several times during this course, you posted a link. The blog feed. Okay, there's the feed. There's her LinkedIn. There's her Feedly. There's her first blog post. She's got everything right here that's required. Her About Me page. There's her About Me with an image. Okay, you can like them. You can follow them. She has her intention statement here. Okay, and you can always click to go back to home. That's why the menu is so important. So this is what it's supposed to look like. The instructions, clear. Absolutely crystal clear. There's the 2015 thing. Okay, your deliverables were to do this and provide the link. This was week 2. And then there were things you were to add to this in week 3 and more yet in this week 4. Okay, I provided a student sample right here who earned maximum points. All you have to do is click on this and it's going to take you to Dorothy's actual blog who earned maximum points so that you can use that as an example. If you did not do that, the onus is on you for not fully understanding the assignment. And by the way, I can click onto all of these courses and find out who's accessed what materials and when and for how long. So you need to use them. How to create a mastery journal. Here's a little tutorial in 1 minute and 44 seconds of how to do it. People aren't using it. Here's a great one on create pages, categories, and a menu. That's what I just showed you. Here is a step-by-step video of how to do that. So I hope this answered your questions. I hope that we can end this on a good note and we can help you master mastery and that you can create a journey blog like this, because I'm also completing a master's course in mobile game design myself, and this is my mastery blog. And I like it so much, I tinker with it every day because I know I'm going to use it for the whole course, and I like to think that I'm going to have my portfolio of successes in this when I'm done. So I hope that you're with me and you're going to master this and you're going to create what it's meant to be, something to house your journey and your portfolio to show potential clients or employers. So I hope this works for you. If you have any questions, let me know. You've only got 3 or 4 more days left of this course and this has to be right It absolutely has to be right or I can't pass you on. Good luck. Get your blog fixed. Email me the operational link. Make sure it works, because I'm not going to keep going back through all of the students to find the 2 or 3 that are missing and keep going to see if it's there. Email me if you have not already had it corrected. This is Dr. Vicki. You ready to be a master? Let's go.